Now that we know how to create reports using Historian Client Workbook and how to create our own queries with Historian Client Query, we are going to learn how they can be used together. When we open our Historian Client Workbook, if we go to the Historian tab, there is one menu here called Direct Query. If we click on it, we get the Direct Query dialog box. Here we can select the server, and then we have this button. This button says click to bring up the query form. If I click on it, what do we get? This is our Historian Client Query. We already know how to use this one. We already know how to create our queries. So for example, here I'm going to select history values and I'm going to select my reactor. So here we have React level and React temp. I'm going to change the format to white table and the retrieval mode, cyclic, and I want the first 50 rows. I click OK. And here we have our query. So we built it using the Historian Client Query, and now we get it inserted here in the Direct Query dialog box. Here we have the option to enter results as an array formula. We already know that one. Select the cell for output, A1, and specify format options if we have any already configured. So we click OK. And here we have our data. Now this is a pretty cool tool. For example, if you are creating your reporting and it's easier to create a query using the Historian Client Query. So now we are going to practice with a lab.